Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about database management system, commonly known as DBMS. In today's digital world, data is everywhere, from social media to banking systems, and managing this data efficiently is extremely important. That is where DBMS comes in. What is DBMS? DBMS is also known as Database Management System. A database is a software that allows us to store, organize, retrieve and manage data effectively. Instead of storing data randomly, a DBMS helps structure it in a way that is easy to access, update and maintain. For examples, it includes systems and in banks, schools, hospitals and e-commerce platforms. Why DBMS is important? DBMS plays a crucial role in handling data. It helps reducing data redundancy and ensures data consistency, improving data security, allowing multiple users to access data simultaneously. Without DBMS, managing large amount of data would be a slow, error-prone and insufficient. What are the types of database? Relational database, NoSQL database, unstructured or semi-structured data, distributed database. First one, relational database, store data in the tables like rows and columns. NoSQL data means it will handle all types of queries. Unstructured or semi-structured data, distributes database. Data is stored across a multiple systems. Each type is used based on the application needs. What are the components of DBMS? A DBMS consists of several key components. Database engine, query processor, database schema, and users. Database engine handles data storage and retrieval. Query processor processes commands like SQL queries. Database schema defines the structure of the data. Users such as developers, administrators and end users. These components work together to manage data effectively. The language of the database. To interact with database, we will use a language called SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. Using SQL, we can insert data, retrieval data, update records, delete data. For example, we can query a database to find all students with a certain grade. Real world examples of the data. Uh, DBMS it handles in many real world banking system, e-commerce websites and healthcare systems and the social media platforms. Managing accounts and transaction, e-commerce websites storing a product and customer data, healthcare systems maintaining patient records and social media platforms handling user data and interactions. Every digital service you use realize our database. So advantages of the data. Some key advantages of DBMS include efficient data management, data integrity and accuracy, improved security, backup and recovery options, easy data sharing among users. These advantages make DBMS essential in modern computing. Uh, what are the challenges? How DBMS also has some challenge. High cost of setup and maintenance. Complexity is maintaining a large system requires skilled professionals. Despite these challenges, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. To conclude, database management system are the backbone of the modern applications. They help us to store, manage and access data efficiently, making our digital lives easier and more organized. Understanding DBMS is an important step to anyone interested in the technology or real data related fields. Thank you.